In this quick and simple video, we'll learn how you can add friends on Steam for absolutely free. Let's jump straight into this video. As you can see, I have my Steam app opened. And for some of you guys, if you go and add a friend, what you probably do is to click on the friends section at the top here, and then click on add a friend. And a lot of you guys will get an error message that says your account does not meet the requirements to use this feature or something like that. And if that method doesn't work for you and you constantly get this error message when you try to add friends, then I'll show you how to do it. So from this Steam homepage, you want to tap on your Steam username, which should be at the top also, and a falling menu will show up with a bunch of different options. You want to click on this friends option. When you get to this friends page, you should see this little green add friends button at the right side of your Steam app. And when you click on that green button, it will take you to a screen like this. You will get this little links right here under the quick invite section, and keep in mind that this link can only be used once and it automatically expires after 30 days. In order to add a friend, you will have to go through this process every single time. But you just have to copy this link and send that to a friend or a family member via email or text message. And when they click that link, they will be added as a friend on your Steam account. So that is essentially how you can add friends on Steam for absolutely free, even if you get that error message at first. Now if this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.